Imagine waking up one morning to find your access to clean water cut off. No running taps, no flushing toilets, and no clean drinking water. What would you do? For many of us, this scenario is unthinkable. But for some communities, it's a harsh reality. So what if I told you there's a solution that's been hiding in plain sight? A solution that's simple, sustainable, and surprisingly effective. Welcome to the world of Amish water pumps, where traditional designs meet modern needs. They had relied on traditional water pumps to access clean water. But what makes these water pumps so special? Is it their simplicity, their sustainability, or is it something more? As we delve into their world, we'll discover the surprising advantages that make them a game changer for communities across the globe. The Amish approach to water pumps. This community's commitment to self-sufficiency is truly inspiring, and their traditional water pumps are a shining example of this philosophy in action. By relying on manual pumps, they are able to access clean water without being tied to the grid or relying on complex machinery. This approach not only promotes independence, but also fosters a deeper connection with the natural world. Let's see how this simple yet effective technology has been empowering communities for generations. Unlike modern pumps, which often rely on intricate electronics and high-tech materials, these pumps are built using traditional techniques and locally sourced materials. This approach not only reduces the environmental impact of the pumps, but also makes them more accessible and easier to maintain. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just starting to explore the world of self-sufficiency, they offer a compelling solution for accessing clean water. For generations, their craftsmen have been building water pumps using handcrafted wooden and metal components, simple manual operation, and easy to use without electricity. At the heart of every water pump is a simple yet effective design. The pumps typically consist of a wooden or metal frame, a hand-cranked handle, and a series of leather or rubber valves. These components work to create a suction force that draws water from a well or spring, making it accessible for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. One of the key advantages of these pumps is their use of local, sustainable materials. By relying on materials sourced from their own communities, they are able to support local economies. In addition to their environmental benefits, they are also remarkably durable and long-lasting. With proper maintenance, these pumps can provide reliable access to clean water for decades, making them a valuable investment for families and communities. Their approach to water pumps is also characterized by simple manual operation. Modern electric pumps, which rely on complex electronics and high-tech materials, are powered by human effort. This approach not only reduces the risk of mechanical failure, but also provides a valuable source of exercise and physical activity. The power of hydraulic ram pumps. Imagine a water pump that can push water 150 feet high, using nothing but the power of gravity and the force of moving water. Sounds like science fiction, right? But for the Amish, this technology is a reality, and it's been a game changer for their communities. So how does it work? A hydraulic ram pump, also known as a water hammer, is a clever device that harnesses the energy of flowing water to pump water uphill. Here's the basic principle. A pipe is laid from a water source, such as a stream or spring, to a location that is downhill. As the water flows downhill, it gains speed and momentum. At the end of the pipe, the water is forced through a narrow valve, creating a water hammer effect. This effect creates a pressure wave that pushes water into a chamber filled with air, which is compressed like a balloon. When the pressure becomes too great, the air chamber releases the water, pushing it up to 150 feet high. But that's not all. Hydraulic ram pumps can also pump hundreds of gallons of water per day, making them an ideal solution for communities that need a reliable source of clean water. For Amish, this technology has been a lifesaver. With a hydraulic ram pump, they can access clean water from remote sources, irrigate crops and gardens without relying on electricity, and provide drinking water for their communities, even in areas with limited access to modern infrastructure. The benefits of hydraulic ram pumps don't stop there. They are also environmentally friendly, using no electricity or fuel, and are low maintenance, with few moving parts to repair or replace. Plus, they are cost-effective, providing a reliable source of clean water at a fraction of the cost of modern pumps. The hydraulic ram pump's ability to provide a reliable source of clean water has also had a profound impact on their community's health and well-being. By having access to clean drinking water, families are less likely to fall ill from waterborne diseases, and children are more likely to stay healthy and thrive. Additionally, the pump's ability to irrigate crops and gardens has allowed them to grow a wider variety of fruits and vegetables, providing a more diverse and nutritious diet for their communities. This, in turn, has helped to strengthen the social fabric of the community, as families can come together to share meals and celebrate special occasions. Hydraulic ram pumps are a key part of their success. But what other secrets do they hold when it comes to accessing clean water? The windmill is one of them. The Amish windmill, a testament to traditional ingenuity. For generations, they have been harnessing the power of the wind to pump water for their farms, homes, and communities. Their traditional windmills with 12 to 16 metal-plated blades arranged in a wheel are a remarkable example of effectiveness. The windmills play a significant role in reducing the community's reliance on electricity, thereby minimizing its carbon footprint. By harnessing the power of the wind, these traditional windmills provide a clean and sustainable source of energy, eliminating the need for electricity to pump water. This not only reduces the community's consumption of large amounts of electricity, but also makes their water management system more economical. With the windmills shouldering the responsibility of pumping water, they can allocate their electrical resources more efficiently, further promoting their commitment to environmental stewardship. As the wind turns the wheel, it drives a mechanism that pulls water from underground pipes, reaching depths of up to 400 meters. This is a game changer for farmers, who can now rely on a consistent source of clean water to irrigate their fields. The windmill's ability to pull water from such great depths makes it an invaluable asset for agricultural communities. The pipes connected to the windmill play a crucial role in its operation. As the wind turns the wheel, it creates a suction force that pulls water up through the pipes. This water is then lifted to the surface, providing a reliable source of clean water for drinking, bathing, and irrigation. To ensure a steady supply of water, they have incorporated storage tanks into their windmill systems. These tanks store water when the wind is blowing, allowing the community to access clean water even when the wind isn't blowing. This solution provides a buffer against fluctuations in wind speed, ensuring that the community always has access to clean water. The windmill's pumping capacity is impressive, ranging from 1 to 5 gallons per minute. This may not seem like a lot, but it's sufficient to support the needs of an entire community. The windmill is an essential tool for their agriculture, providing a reliable source of clean water for irrigation and other farm-related needs. Maintenance is also an important aspect of windmill operation. Once a year, someone climbs the windmill to check all the metal plates and mechanisms, ensuring that everything is in good working order. This regular maintenance helps to extend the life of the windmill and prevent breakdowns. The benefits of this windmill are numerous. It provides a reliable source of clean water, supports agricultural production, and serves as a symbol of traditional courage and hard work. Today, windmill remains an important part of their culture and identity, a testament to the community's resourcefulness and commitment to sustainability. The windmill system is a boon for farmers, providing them with a reliable and consistent source of water for irrigation. With the ability to pull water from depths of up to 400 meters, farmers can now irrigate their fields even during times of drought or water scarcity. This has led to increased crop yields and improved agricultural productivity, enabling farmers to provide for their families and communities. Additionally, the windmill's ability to pump water at a rate of 1 to 5 gallons per minute allows farmers to water their livestock and tend to their gardens, further enhancing their agricultural endeavors. By providing a sustainable source of water, the windmill system has become an indispensable tool for farmers, helping them to thrive and prosper in rural areas. Amish spring water systems. Deep within the rolling hills and lush valleys of Amish country, a hidden treasure awaits. Spring water systems, born from the natural harmony of sun, earth, and rain, provide a bounty of crystal-clear water. With their innate understanding of the land and its rhythms, they have mastered the art of harnessing this precious resource. As the snow-capped mountains towering above their countryside begin to thaw, the sun's warmth coaxes forth a gentle trickle of water. This crystal-clear liquid, infused with the essence of the earth, flows downhill, gathering momentum and clarity with each passing moment. They use nature and have learned to tap into this underground network, channeling the spring water into an intricate system of pipes and storage tanks. But before the water is deemed fit for consumption, it must undergo a rigorous filtration process. They employ a combination of natural materials, including charcoal filters and pebble filters, carefully crafted to remove impurities and imperfections. This painstaking attention to detail ensures that every drop of water meets the community's exacting standards. With the water now purified, it's time to store it for future use. They have also developed an ingenious system of storage tanks strategically positioned between the springs and the points of usage. These tanks, with capacities of up to more than 2,880 gallons per day, provide a reliable buffer against fluctuations in water demand. Moreover, they enable the Amish to share this precious resource with their neighbors, fostering a sense of community and cooperation. As with any complex system, regular maintenance is essential to ensure the spring water system functions optimally. They regularly inspect the pipes, tanks, and filters to guarantee that every component is working in harmony. They check for any blockages, leaks, or other issues that might compromise the water's quality or pressure. The spring water systems are a vital lifeline for their farms, providing a reliable and sustainable source of clean water for irrigation. This natural water source is gently distributed throughout the fields, nourishing the crops and replenishing the soil. As a result, the farms flourish, yielding an abundance of fresh produce, from crisp vegetables to juicy fruits. The spring water system's gentle and consistent flow also helps to maintain the delicate balance of the ecosystem, supporting the health and biodiversity of the soil, plants, and wildlife. By harnessing the power of spring water, they can cultivate their land in harmony with nature, creating a thriving agricultural heritage that is both sustainable and bountiful. Through this power, they've created a closed-loop system that not only provides for their needs, but also honors the natural world. As we gaze upon their countryside, we're reminded that even in our modern era, ancient wisdom and traditional practices can still hold the key to a brighter, more resilient future. Hand pumps. A simple yet effective solution for the Amish. The Amish have long relied on hand pumps as a traditional and reliable means of accessing clean water from underground sources. These simple yet effective pumps operate on a basic principle. By pushing down and pulling up, the pump creates suction, drawing water from underground cylinders. One of the significant benefits of hand pumps is their accessibility. They incorporated ball bearings into the pump's design, making it easy for even young children to operate. This not only provides a sense of independence, but also teaches children the value of hard work. Another benefit of hand pumps is their ability to provide a reliable source of water, even in extreme temperatures. To address the issue of water freezing in the pumps, they have developed a clever solution. When the pump is not in use, the unused water is allowed to flow back into the streams, preventing freezing and ensuring the pump remains functional. In addition to hand pumps, They have also developed a network of wells, often digging holes 150 feet underground to access clean water. These wells require only minor pumps to lift the water to the surface, providing a reliable source of water for drinking, cooking, and irrigation. This hand pump system has proven to be a vital component of their daily lives, providing a dependable source of clean water for their families, farms, and communities. By embracing this traditional technology, they have demonstrated their ability to thrive in harmony with the natural world, relying on simple, sustainable solutions to meet their needs. Elevated storage systems. A water management marvel. Amish have developed an easy solution to their water management needs, the elevated storage system. This innovative system features a large water tank, towering above the landscape like a two-story house, which stores precious water for the community. With a capacity to hold enough water to fill farms for over 2 weeks, this system provides a reliable and efficient means of water distribution. One of the most significant advantages of the elevated storage system is its ability to provide a pressurized water supply to every building, shop, and store in the community. Because the tank is situated at a height, gravity does the work, pushing water through the pipes with ease. This eliminates the need for complex pumping systems, making the entire process remarkably reliable and efficient. The elevated storage system is also a clever way to store excess water, much like a savings account. When water is plentiful, pipes run from the windmills to the elevated tank, filling it. This stored water can then be used during times of drought or high demand, ensuring that the community always has access to a reliable source of clean water. While the elevated storage system offers many benefits, it does come with its own set of challenges. The height of the tank can make maintenance and repairs difficult, requiring specialized equipment and expertise. However, they have proven themselves to be resourceful and skilled, able to overcome these challenges and reap the rewards of their innovative water management system. Limitations of modern water pumps. While modern water pumps have revolutionized the way we access clean water, they also come with several limitations. One of the primary concerns is their dependence on electricity or fuel, which can be unreliable in rural or off-grid areas. Plus, modern pumps often feature complex mechanisms that are prone to failure, requiring costly repairs and maintenance. The environmental impact of modern water pumps is also a significant concern. The manufacturing process requires vast amounts of energy and resources, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and pollution. The disposal of modern pumps at the end of their lifespan can be problematic, with many ending up in landfills or oceans. Another limitation of modern water pumps is their high upfront cost, making them inaccessible to many communities or individuals. The cost of installation, maintenance, and repair can also add up over time, making modern pumps a significant financial burden. Advantages of Amish water pumps. In contrast to modern water pumps, traditional Amish water pumps offer several advantages. One of the most significant benefits is their reliability and simplicity. These pumps are designed with minimal moving parts, reducing the risk of mechanical failure and making them easy to maintain and repair. Another advantage of these water pumps is their sustainability and environmental friendliness. Built using local, natural materials, these pumps have a minimal carbon footprint and can be easily repaired or repurposed at the end of their lifespan. These pumps are often powered by human energy or wind, eliminating the need for electricity or fuel. The cost-effectiveness of water pumps is also a significant advantage. With minimal upfront costs and low maintenance requirements, these pumps can provide a reliable source of clean water at a fraction of the cost of modern pumps. These pumps make them accessible to communities or individuals who may not have access to modern technology. Real-world applications and examples. Their water pumps are not just a relic of the past, they are still being used in various settings. Today, in rural areas where access to electricity or modern infrastructure is limited, they are useful. Many rural communities have adopted their style of water pumps as a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution. Homeowners who live off the grid or in remote areas also rely on these water pumps as a primary source of clean water. These pumps are ideal for off-grid homes because they don't require electricity or fuel, making them a good option. Water pumps are being used in emergency preparedness situations, such as natural disasters or power outages, providing a reliable means of accessing clean water when modern infrastructure is compromised. In developing communities where access to clean water is limited, these water pumps are being used as a low-cost and sustainable solution. Organizations and NGOs are working with local communities to implement Amish-style water pumps, providing clean water and improving public health. Many homesteaders and farmers are adopting these water pumps as a way to reduce their reliance on modern technology and live a better lifestyle. These pumps provide a reliable means of accessing clean water for irrigation, livestock, and household use. These examples demonstrate the versatility and practicality of Amish water pumps in real-world situations. By adopting these traditional pumps, individuals and communities can reduce their reliance on modern technology, live a more sustainable lifestyle, and access clean water in a reliable and self-sufficient way. Amish pumps, source of saving electricity. When it comes to pumping water, they have a unique approach that not only saves electricity, but also promotes sustainability. Unlike modern electric pumps, these pumps are designed to be efficient and economical. One of the main advantages is that they don't require electricity to operate. Instead, they use a combination of human power, animal power, or wind power to pump water from wells or storage tanks. This approach not only saves electricity, but also reduces the community's reliance on non-renewable energy sources. By using natural sources of power, they promote a more sustainable way of living. In contrast, modern electric pumps require a significant amount of energy to operate, which can contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. By choosing to use Amish-style pumps, individuals can reduce their energy consumption and promote a more environmentally friendly way of living. They are often more durable and long-lasting than modern electric pumps. Because they are designed to be cost-effective, they require less maintenance and are less prone to breakdowns. This can save individuals money and time in the long run, as they won't need to worry about repairing or replacing their pumps as frequently. Additionally, they can be built using local materials and traditional craftsmanship, which can help to promote community development and self-sufficiency. In addition to their environmental and economic benefits, they also offer a unique opportunity for individuals to connect with their community and promote social sustainability. By working together to build and maintain their pumps, community members can build stronger relationships and promote a sense of cooperation and mutual support. This approach to pumping water not only saves electricity, but also promotes a more holistic and sustainable way of living. Overall, it offers a unique combination of environmental, economic, and social benefits that make them an attractive alternative to modern electric pumps. This style allows individuals to reduce their energy consumption, promote sustainability, and connect with their community in a meaningful way. As we gaze out upon the rolling hills and lush landscapes of Amish country, we're reminded of the power of tradition. This pump, a humble hero, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of a community that has long lived in harmony with the land. Like a gentle breeze on a summer's day, these pump brings life-giving water to those who need it, without fanfare or fuss. Its simple manual operation is a breath of fresh air in a world of complex, high-tech solutions. And as we look to the future, we're reminded that sometimes the old ways are the best, that the traditional pump, with its reliability, is a beacon of hope in a world increasingly dominated by the noise and nonsense of modern technology. As we conclude our journey into the world of Amish water pumps, we're left with a profound sense of respect for their community and their commitment to living in harmony with the land. May their example inspire us to re-examine our relationship with the natural world and to seek out simpler, more sustainable solutions to the challenges we face. In the end, it's not just about the water pump. It's about the way of life it represents and the promise of a brighter, more sustainable future for us all. Now I want to hear from you. What will your approach be? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.